Hey everyone! If you want to create professional social media posts quickly using AI-powered design tools, Photoroom makes the process simple and beginner-friendly. In this video, I'll show you how to create social media posts in Photoroom from start to finish in 2026. First, open the Photoroom app or visit the Photoroom website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the editor. Once you're logged in, start a new project and choose a social media template if one is available. You can also create a custom canvas sized for platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, or Pinterest. Next, upload the photo or graphic you want to use in your design. This could be a product image, personal photo, company logo, promotional graphic, or any visual related to your content. If needed, use Photoroom's AI background removal tool to separate the subject from the background and create a cleaner, more professional look. For the best results, use high-quality visuals, maintain consistent branding, keep text minimal, and focus on creating designs that are easy to understand quickly. And that's how to create social media posts in Photoroom in 2026. With AI-powered editing tools and ready-made templates, you can create professional content in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.